Hi my beauties, it's your girl Covey here and welcome Bizak to my channel. I'm coming to y'all today with another makeup tutorial, of course. Jumping right into that, I'm going to put on some moisturizer by Pure Tropics. I love it. It's their exotic face moisturizer. And then just as normal per usual, I'm going in with my two primers, Fenty Beauty and Becca. After that, I'm going to do a bit of color correcting just under my eyes and in some dark areas. I'm using my LA Girl orange color corrector for that, and I'm going to blend that in. For brows today, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. I like to switch sometimes between that and Benefit, you know, just to keep you on your toes a little bit. To clean that up, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's in the color Medium Beige, and I'm just cleaning them up there, accepting that my brows are not supposed to be identical. They're supposed to be sisters. For foundation, I'm using my Becca Complexion Cream in the color Tobacco, and I'm just really buffing that in with a brush and then pressing that in with a beauty sponge that is damp, of course. And I'm going to go ahead and jump into eyeshadow. I'm going to prime my lids with my Angel Veil Eyes Primer. And then for the eyeshadow, I'm using my Morphe 3502 palette. I'm going in with a universal color on my brow bone just to set it there. Then a brick red color for my crease color. And I'm just going to really blend that in very well. Then right underneath that crease color, I'm putting a rose color. It's like a pale pink, so to speak. And then in my outer V, I'm going to put a very deep dark chocolate brown just to give my eyes some dimension. And so I'm cutting my crease here, and for my crease color, I'm using a palette that I got in my BoxyCharm a couple months ago, and I've never gotten around to using it. It is the Masquerade palette. It's a collaboration between BoxyCharm and Pure Cosmetics. And I wasn't really feeling the colors, y'all. I gotta be honest. So I had to doctor on it a little bit and just stop because I was really starting to get frustrated. So, you know, I'm accepting it as it looks and moving forward. Because that's what we have to do in life sometimes, right? We have to take it for what it is and make the best of it. So for highlighter, or for concealer that's going to highlight, I'm using my LA Girl concealer along with my Tarte Shape Tape. Y'all, I can't talk today. After I lay that down, I'm going to let that sit for a while. I really want it to really warm up to the temperature of my skin. I feel like I get better coverage that way when I wait before I blend it out. So while that do what it needs to do, I'm going to blend out my contour color. That is my Fenty Beauty Matte Match Stick in the color Truffle. After I blend that out, I'm going to go ahead and blend out that concealer. I always blend out the center of my face, then work underneath my eyes and just take my time. So as you can see here, I alternate between each eye while I'm blending it out. So I'll start with one eye, stop, go to the other, and just go back and forth that way. That's totally optional. You don't have to do that. That's just what I like to do. To set my face, I'm using my Beauty Bakery Flour. I'm actually going to use a few setting powders. This is the first one. I just want to go ahead and set it right away. So I'm doing that with my Beauty Bakery Flour. Then to set my contour color, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit in Tan to Deep. It's my OG here. It never fails me. Then I'm going to do a powder contour on my nose using that top middle shade. Nothing too crazy, just a light nose contour. Then I'm going to do a little bronzing with my Ebony Collection CoverGirl bronzer. Or Queen Collection, not Ebony Collection. It's in the color Ebony. It's the Queen Collection. I'm going to get it right eventually, y'all. Then this is me going in with that second setting powder. This is my Sacha Buttercup, and I'm just resetting my face, and I'm pressing that powder in, and I'm cleaning up my contour all at one time. Because y'all know I love a snatched face, so I have to clean up my contour with that setting powder. And I'm going to dust off any extra setting powder that's on my face with some more setting powder, okay, y'all? We put a lot of powder on our faces. I'm using my Laura Mercier setting powder in medium to deep. After I get that swept off, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with my OG facial spray, Mario Badescu. And I'm pressing that in with that beauty sponge just so everything can really melt into one another and give me that seamless look I'm looking for. Then for highlight, I'm going in with my liquid highlighter by Tarte Cosmetics. It's in the color Stunna. It's a beautiful color. And I'm pairing that with a powder highlighter from MAC. It's in the color Global Glow. I feel like they pair so well together. I'm not crazy about the MAC highlighter on its own, but paired with this, it's amazing. And y'all, I'm so sorry the upload is so late. I've been sick. I've been trying to get over it. I'm sure you can hear it in my last video. It's been real. The struggle have been real. Then I'm going to go ahead and finish up the bottom of my eye look. I'm just mimicking what I did on the top of my lid to my bottom lash line. Yep, I actually think the eye look, it turned out better after I saw everything come together. But boy, going through that process, I was really starting to get, I was getting annoyed. So I'm going in with the blush. This is by Note Cosmetics. It's in the color Desert Rose. The lashes today that I'm using, you guys, is by Ardell. I'm not 100% sure on which particular pair. I apologize for that, but I love the lashes. They're wispy, I know that. And that's about it. That's all the information I have on those lashes. I sincerely apologize about it. For lips, I'm going in with my corked lip liner in the color, from MAC Cosmetics. Then I'm putting on a lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. It's their Universal Lip Balm. Spraying my face to set it. And y'all, that is it. That's the look. Happy New Year, you guys. I hope that this year is blessed and full of everything that you hope for. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Self-love is the best love, and makeup is life. Peace.